Alright, so hello and welcome to BusyKlista. Here's another edition of BusyKlista's Bike Maintenance Day. Pedals. Alright, so in this video we will show you how to remove your pedals. Well, I'm specifically talking about this one. This is a Look Kio Easy. We will start with having the pedals removed from the crank. Our crank is a Shimano 105 5800. For the job we'll be using an 8mm Allen key for the pedals. For other type of pedals, dig around this box of tools. There we go. This is what I've been using for old pedals, or for other pedals. I strapped two cone spanners to make a sort of wrench, a thinner wrench than what you have here in comparison. And most pedals that I've used, VP, Welgo, what else? Those two are using 15 mil nuts. Just like so, anti-clockwise. Right. Easier thing to remember is that if you're removing pedals, if you're using the Allen key, it will be towards the bottom bracket. The rotation of the Allen key will always be, to loosen up, will be towards the bottom bracket. Same thing, again, use your key towards the bottom bracket. There we go. Okay. So here's another type of pedal. This is a VP pedal. There's a groove that fits a 15 mil other side, 15 mil cone spanner. Now the way to remove it is still the same. To loosen the pedal, you rotate towards the bottom bracket. So if you put it here, to loosen it up, you have to go towards the bottom bracket. What we have here now is FPD pedal or Exostar pedal. Same thing. Same way to remove it, same size of Allen key. This is a Shimano Tiagra 4600. 8mm Allen key. To loosen, towards the bottom bracket. To loosen it, again, towards the bottom bracket. To tighten, away from the bottom bracket. Okay.